Hello everyone and welcome to At Home with Camella. My name is Nikki Viola and right now we are here in front of Dani house. Ayan, for sure all of you are excited to explore kung ano man yung nasa loob. But just a little information about you guys. This house is actually perfect for moderately sized families. Ayan, sa mga pamilya na kakasimula pa lamang. Ayan, this house is really perfect for you with its size and layout, which will be all touring later on. With its floor area of 83 square meters and a lot area of 99 square meters. Talagang pasok na pasok ang inyong pamilya dito sa house na ito. So, for sure, as I've said, all of you are excited. I am excited too. So, let's tour the house. Alright, so this is our grand floor dito sa Dani house. And first, we have our living room. This is perfect for a family bonding over the weekend. You can put your TV there and you can gather up your kids and you can watch your favorite shows or your favorite movies. Ayan, pwede kayo dito tumambay because it's spacious and really cozy at the same time. Alright, so next up naman, we have our spare room. On this side, this is perfect for the people who are helping us to maintain our household. Syempre, they need a form of relaxation also, or they need a quality time for themselves as well. So this spare room is perfect for them para makapagpahinga sila. Alright, and of course, we have our toilet and bathroom right on this side. Ayan, and one of the beautiful things naman din sa ating ground floor is our dining area. So talagang gaganahan ka to cook up a store because of course with this dining area, dito nyo isa-serve yan with your family or with your friends. And what's great about it is we have our view right here with these windows. Ayan, para mas maganda yung ambience or vibe whenever you eat dito sa ating dining area. And let's move forward to our kitchen. Yeah, but first we have our mini bar right here, and nakita niyo na with the collection of liquor that we have. You can have your own date with your hubby yan over the weekend dito rin sa side na to. And right now, andito rin tayo sa ating kitchen. So, if you want, for example, to teach your kids on how to cook, ayan, we have our oven area right here. And rest assured na your kids will be safe because it's spacious. So, medyo malaki yung ating kusina dito. So, hindi mapapano and machi-check mo talaga yung ginagawa ng mga anak mo if you have your cooking bonding with them, alright? So, we have our space right here where you can prepare your stuff for cooking. We have our sink. We have our refrigerator area. Ayan, so talagang super complete yung ating kitchen area dito sa ating ground floor. Alright, so of course, the way we've toured the whole house, this is very clean, very cozy, very classy at the same time, perfect for relaxation for the whole family. This wouldn't be possible without All Home. And I have such great news for all of you because one of the perks of being a Camella homeowner is that you get to avail a free interior styling consultations and discounted packages from All Home. All Home is your one-stop shop for your home furnishings and renovation needs. And you can shop at any All Home branch located nationwide po yan. Or you can also check them out online at www.allhome.com.ph. So now that we've toured Dani's ground floor, ayan, now let's move forward to second floor, which I will show you the rooms and some of our features as well. So let's go. And now we're on our way to the second floor. Ayan, so umpisahan natin ang ating tour with our toilet and bathroom right here on the right side. And of course, we have our first room because syempre yung Dani house natin, mayroong tatlong rooms yan. So this is the first room. Ayan, so as you can see, this is perfect for your daughters or baby girls and who's growing up and sinasanay nyo to have their own room, diba? This is perfect. The space is perfect for them. They have their own bed to sleep on. They have their own study space also. And they have their own cabinets for their stuff. Ayan, so madali niyang maaabot lahat, diba? Ayan, at least matututo siya to organize on her own as well because of the distance of each items that we have dito sa room na to. Ayan, so perfect na perfect yon para sa kanila. And next naman, another room that we have is this time for our cute boys or cute sons, diba? Especially if parehong boys yung meron kayo sa family. Perfect to. Like with this one, we have a double bed right here. You can put them together sa isang room and they can bond, of course, and they can grow up together. Ayan, which is a perfect idea. And syempre maganda yung may bonding din yung mga siblings once in a while. So ito, they have their double bed and they have their own stuff din dito sa cabinet, and they have their tables as well for their stuff like collectibles, toys. Ayan, pwede nilang i-display yan dito. And dito rin sa side na to kasi very spacious yung wall. So, pwede niyong paglagyan tulad dito ng kanilang mga collectibles. Ayan, also posters of their favorite artists or favorite bands, music artists. Ayan, pwede rin dito. Para magkaroon ng personality yung kanilang room. Alright, and also, we have our master's bedroom right here. So, come join me, okay? So, ito ay ang master bedroom. Perfect for our lovebirds, for our couple. Ayan, whenever they're relaxing after a long day of taking care of their kids. Ayan, napakaganda ng space po na to para sa inyo with our views right here, which is very relaxing. Kasi makikita nyo talaga pagbukas ng windows nyo or curtains, nature, which is gusto natin lahat. It's the dream, di ba? And we have our bed right here, and of course cabinets, and we have our very own toilet and bathroom for you. Ayan, sa ating mga couples who will be staying here sa ating master's bedroom. Alright, so now that we've toured our second floor dito sa ating Dani house, for sure you are excited to see this in person. So I'm encouraging all of you to check it out right now, and who knows, diba? Ito na talaga yung sign na magkakaroon na kayo ng inyong bago at napakagandang tahanan. Apart from offering beautiful homes, Camella also provides its homeowners a wide range of amenities that would suit their needs and lifestyle. Keep your family safe and secured, and have peace of mind with the presence of 24/7 security within Camella's gated communities. Share precious moments with your loved ones at Camella's family-friendly amenities such as the clubhouse, basketball courts, playgrounds, and swimming pools. With its excellent location, every Camella community makes life convenient for its residents, as all the things you'll need is always be within your reach. Enjoy all these and live the life you've always dreamed of only at Camella. And that's it for our Dani house tour. For sure, all of you enjoyed as much as I did. And we hope that we made you feel at home here in Camella as well. So for more updates, you can check our website, www.camella.com.ph, and you can also follow our social media accounts. Thank you and have a great day.